Okay guys, today's video we are going to be talking about the reason why we are not getting views on our YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video right now, all I require from you is to share this video to your friends. It might actually help someone to know the reason why they are not getting views on their YouTube channel. So before I proceed, I would like to take you guys to my YouTube analytics. So as you can see, all my views is coming from YouTube search, browser features, and let me just tell you that everything here is a planned video. Okay guys, as a new creator, you probably may be thinking that YouTube is the one promoting people's videos. Let me tell you, YouTube is not in any shape, form, angle promoting your videos. They only focus on their audience coming to their platform, not you as a creator. So before you actually sit down and create a video, all you need to ask yourself, which type of audience am I targeting? Whether people is actually searching for it on YouTube. So that is what you need to know first. You need to make a research very well before you think of making one, and this process is called keyword research. You need to make a keyword research to find out what people is actually searching for on YouTube, and that is the only way you can actually be getting views naturally. And let me tell you, the more you are getting views, YouTube will now start suggesting those videos to related audience, people who are actually interested in watching those type of video that you are making. And what is going to help you to achieve all this is called TubeBuddy, or you can actually use Video Key. That is what I'm using. Just go to their website, sign up with them, and they will analyze your YouTube channel, and at the end of the day they will start recommending you some topic ideas that is actually trending on YouTube. And guess what, it's 100% free. You don't have to spend anything, or unless you have money to upgrade. So but for a starter, you need to start using their free version, and at the end of the day, once you start getting a lot of results and start making money with YouTube, you can also upgrade.